sifunde isiXhosa no-Under Penguin neetshomi zakhe.
Join us on Patreon and become a member to enjoy exclusive flashcards, activity books, and so much more. Isifuba, chest. Isifuba, izifuba, chest. Izifuba. Niqhube kakuhle. Well done. Uyitsho njani ngolwakho ulwimi? How do you say it in your language? Comment below. Ze niphinde nibuye nizokuqhubeka ufunda isiXhosa no-Under Penguin neetshomi zakhe. Don't forget to like and follow. Bye.